Hi, you are engaging in the ELA Guidebooks unit, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. The purpose of this video is to learn more about alternative energy and its benefits. This will help you better understand how the main character, William, used this energy source to help his family in the novel, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. Be sure to have your handout available and something to write with for the video. Alternative energy refers to energy from natural and renewable sources, such as solar or wind. These energy sources are referred to as alternative because they represent the alternative to coal, oil, and natural gas, which have been the most common sources of energy since the Industrial Revolution. Alternative energy, however, should not be confused with renewable energy, although many renewable energy sources can also be considered alternative. Solar power, for example, is both renewable and alternative because it will always be abundant and it emits no greenhouse gases. Nuclear power, however, is alternative but not renewable since it uses uranium, a finite resource. There are many different types of alternative energy. Here is a quick list of some of the most common sustainable energy resources. Wind energy. Wind power is one of the alternative energy sources that serves both individuals and entire communities. Solar energy. Solar power most commonly refers to the use of photovoltaic cells, or solar cells, to create energy. Hydroelectric energy. Generated from the energy of moving water, hydroelectricity is produced when water behind a dam causes turbine blades to move as it flows through an intake. Geothermal energy. Geothermal power is generated by tapping into underground reservoirs of hot water. Bioenergy. We generate bioenergy from organic materials known as biomass or biofuels. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is created in the form of heat through the fission process of atoms. Now you're ready to answer the question, what is alternative energy? Pause this video to record your answers on your handout at the first stop sign, then hit play when you're ready to continue. Let's review. Alternative energy refers to energy from natural and renewable sources, such as solar or wind. Different types of alternative energy include wind energy, solar energy, hydroelectric energy, geothermal energy, bioenergy, and nuclear energy. Governments and individual consumers alike have the ability to make substantial reduction in their carbon footprint, directly impacting global warming and climate change. Let's take a look at the environmental benefits of alternative energy. Conserve fossil fuels, slow and reverse climate change, change lives, reduce severe weather, and minimize fuel dependency. As alternative energy technologies continue to improve, the cost simultaneously falls. Solar and wind power have unlocked the potential to generate an energy reserve plentiful enough to meet the world's demand. When you look at how affordable, effective, and economically friendly these resources are, you begin to see how we could displace fossil fuels within the next 30 years. Now you're ready to list 3 benefits to using alternative energy sources. Pause this video to record your answers on your handout at the second stop sign, then hit play when you're ready to continue. Let's review. There are several benefits of using alternative energy sources. Some include conserve fossil fuels, slow and reverse climate change, save lives, reduce severe weather, and minimize fuel dependency. You now understand the importance of making the switch to alternative energy sources and why it's so vital to a healthy future. You will use this new knowledge as you engage in the ELA Guidebooks unit, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. When you finish this video, Be sure to turn in your completed handout to your teacher.